NBC News World Headquarters in New York, this is NBC Nightly News.
Tell us what we have here.
This is a mobile bird detection radar system, originally developed for the military. It's a dual radar configuration designed to cover one runway that we're using here for the test. We have a horizontal radar that is tracking bird movements 4 to 6 miles around the airport, and then a vertically spinning radar that's covering the approach and departure corridor, detecting birds 4 miles out into the corridor and providing us risk levels on bird activity.
What can one of these big birds, what can it do to an aircraft engine?
It can do a significant amount of damage. It can take an engine out, as it did with the Hudson River situation. In fact, that was 2 engines that were taken out. It can penetrate the fuselage of the aircraft. It's a very dangerous situation that we're concerned with. That's why we want to test the technology here so that we can help mitigate that in every instant. When you have 61 bird strikes, that's 61 too many.
What are you hoping to do?
The goal is to track the medium, large, and flock size category birds that pose the greatest risk to aircraft and measure the level of the risk and provide usable alert data to the air traffic controllers, bird control people, and airport managers so that they can more effectively manage the risk.
How accurate is this technology really?
It's very reliable. We can detect a small bird out to several miles and flocks out to 8, 10, 12 miles.
Really?
The system's used by the U.S. Air Force. NASA uses it to launch the space shuttle.
We have about 50 species of birds that we see on the airfield. We've got a 2,500-acre area to cover. If we know where these birds are, we can go right to the source with this technology.
So show me what this is.
Well, what we're doing here is we're taking the data in real time from the 2 radars. It's running through the computer systems which are processing it for bird tracks. This is Boston Logan Airport, and this is the runway that the radar is aligned on. And it's showing us the bird activity around and on the airfield.
Every one of these green dots is a bird?
In all probability, yes. Essentially, it's an air traffic control radar for birds, is what it is.